Hi, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making stuffed peppers. Now these peppers are very flavorful and super colorful. They are our family favorite. You can use them as an appetizer, as a side dish, or just as a snack. Now let's start by removing the stems and also the seeds from the peppers. Take a bowl and add grated coconut to it. So this is a freshly grated coconut. Now we will go ahead and add peanut powder. Now add ginger and garlic. So I have grated ginger and garlic, but if you have ginger garlic paste handy, please use it. Now we will add red chili powder, but if you have cayenne pepper, you can use it, or paprika. Now we will add turmeric, and next goes chickpea flour, some salt, and cilantro. Now chickpea flour is used for binding, but you can use breadcrumbs or cornmeal. Now we will add oil. Around 2 teaspoons of oil is used, and half of lemon juice. It comes around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now we will mix well. It's very hard to mix with spoon, so I'm mixing with hand. And now we will start stuffing our peppers with our filling. Now here goes each and every pepper is stuffed, and we will set it aside. Next step will be just heat a little oil in this pan, or very little oil. Just smear it all around and start arranging these peppers on this pan. Now see, these are the salad peppers, the sweet salad peppers. So they don't need much cooking, but since we are using some spices, we want to make sure that we cook the filling. So we will just cook them for around 5 to 8 minutes from all sides. So here they look cooked. They are turning a little brown from outside, so they are getting a little caramelized, and they have this very pretty color. And our peppers are almost cooked, and we are ready to eat. So our peppers are ready, and this is how they will look. They are super delicious, very yummy. Enjoy this recipe, tag us, comment us, and thanks for watching.